Hi everyone. So today in this video we are going to see linen threadwork sarees. These are party wear fancy sarees, completely fancy sarees. The one of them which I am wearing is in the light blue pastel colors. So all the sarees in this video are pastel colors. So these sarees are pure linen cloth and this comes with the thread work. So pure linen, and so it will not be heavy or it will not be really bulky. So the one which I am wearing, you can see this is the pallu, and in this we'll start seeing the colors. So in this we have 2 to 3 designs. One is with the circle flower design, one is fully monochrome pastel with the silver zari design, and other one is another flower design. We'll see all the sarees. So the price range of this saree is 2350 to 2550. We'll start seeing the sarees. So the one I am wearing is a blue pastel blue color. So this one is pastel green color saree. So I'm just showing it in the normal tube light video, but when you wear these for the outside functions and all, you'll really glow very well. I just don't want to use the additional lights to make it really good, but this like this also it really looks good. So this is in the pastel green color, and this is the flower design, colorful flower design, and this is the border you'll be getting. This is a jackwood silver weaving border, and yeah. So for this you will be getting the running blouse. So this is saree number 1, or you can take saree number 2. This is because one I am already wearing. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is pastel or mint green color. Okay, so these are all very beautiful sarees. I just paired it with my silver blouse. So I just paired it with the silver blouse for this show, but you will be getting a running blouse for this blouse. So you can see it's a very beautiful sarees. All are in the pastel colors. Blouse you will be getting the same running blouse, same running blouse you will be getting. So with the small silver border. So short hands if you get for this blouses, it looks very good. So this is how it is, light mint green color with all silver border. You can just wear it on single pleat, or if you put the pleats also, this looks very good. Okay, this is how it is. This is saree number 2. The one I am wearing is saree number 1. The price is 2350, just for 2350. So the market price for this sarees will be above 3500. You can just check anyway if you want. So this is how it looks, and this is the pallu. Pallu also full thread work you will be getting with this beautiful circular design, and this is not really that transparent. This is how it looks. Okay, this is saree number 2 in the mint green color. So all the pallu and the body of the saree you will be getting the design like this, and in the half design you will be getting the thread work design, and half will be kali. Okay, that is saree number 2. This is saree number 3 in the baby pink color. In the baby pink color, in the colorful butta flowers you will be getting. So this particular design is very beautiful. So this particular linens are not rough also, these are very soft. So this is in the baby pink color. Yes, this is in the baby pink color. So that is the blouse. Blouse you will be getting blouse you will be getting the stripes with big border to the hand. So that is how it looks. This is a baby pink color linen fancy saree. You see how beautiful it is, and this is the pallu. This is the pallu you will be getting. These are all very beautiful. So the pink is more pretty actually than the one I wore, but the pink already I wore it for another live video, so I have chosen a different color. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Baby pink linen threadwork saree. So that circular thread work is really beautiful. So this is how it looks when you put the pleats. Sorry, I'm not able to put the pleats properly because I'm wearing another saree down. Okay, this is how it looks. Very pretty if you put the pleats, or if you don't put the pleats also, that looks very pretty on you. This is baby pink color linen saree. This is saree number 3. Okay, all are in the pastel colors, all the sarees. So this is saree number 4. This saree number 4 is in the pastel yellow color. This is also a light color yellow color saree. So this is the work, and this is the colorful butta on the saree. So this is in the pastel yellow. If you have a silver blouse, you can pair it with the silver blouse if you want more frills to the saree like I did, or you can just wear the running blouse to Pinju. So little design difference patterns are there for the blouse. So this comes to the border of the blouse, the jacquard silver weaving border, and the plain one is the blouse. So the running blouse you will be getting. So other than the contrast blouse, the running blouse looks more beautiful. Okay, so this is in the pastel yellow color. I'll be posting a reference picture as well. So this is the pallu. So this is the pallu you'll be getting. Okay, so this is how it looks. The price of the saree is just 2350, free shipping. Okay. Okay, this is pastel yellow color. Hope it's clear. Yeah, this is how it looks. These are party wear sarees and extremely hi-fi sarees. I mean, the quality is very good for the functions, for the fancy wear. They look very elegant and very good because the quality of the cloth and the weaving is also very good and elegant. So this is how it looks. Pastel yellow color. So in this design we have 4 colors. The one I'm wearing, which is in the blue, baby pink, pastel green, and the pastel yellow color. So in this we have 4 colors that I have shown. Now in the same quality of the saree, with little design difference is there. Those also you can check. So this is a little different design. So for this we have got the thread work and booties and all over the saree. So for this particular saree, it comes completely with the thread and the silver work. You can see it's completely silver and thread work. Who doesn't like this multicolor florals on the body, they can check this. But this, the price of this is 2550. This looks extremely superior. You can see this looks very beautiful because the saree is completely with the thread work. So I'm wearing a silver blouse also. You can just match and see how it is. And the neck piece which I'm wearing, I just wore it to give a contrast to the silver sarees which I'm wearing. So this is how it looks. See how beautiful it is, and it looks very elegant also. You can just wear it on single pallu. So because it has completely thread work all over, you'll be having the thread work all over the saree. So this is the thread work you'll be having. And backside also there are no threads coming out. So this is the thread work for a closer look. All over the saree you'll be getting this thread work. So from far also it looks very good if you see. So okay, this is how it looks. Blouse to Pinju. So that's the blouse. Blouse you'll be getting the same monochrome blouse, or if you want you can go for a contrast blouse also. As this is grey color, you can go for a pink color blouse if you already have. But the monochrome color also looks very good if you go with the stone jewelry or the pearl jewelry like this. So with the small border you'll be getting it for the hand. So if you nicely put the pleats and if you put nicely the pleats in a proper way also, it looks very good. See how beautiful it is. I can just put some nice fancy lights and show it looks more elegant, but just that I don't want to. Yeah, this is how it looks. Nice full silver thread embroidery in this design. This is sari number 1 in the silver color, and the pallu also, it comes with full thread weaving, and down tassels you'll be getting like this. So this is how it looks. The price of this is 2550. This is color number 1 in this full thread work design. Okay, next is baby pink color. So the baby pink color with the full silver thread weaving and the silver tassels you'll be getting. So this is how it looks. These are all a very good collection of fancy sarees which I have which I have handpicked from the weaver, because I found it unique and I just wanted to give it at a better price, because I have seen it other places who are selling for 3,500 or something. So that's okay, but if you find our deal is reasonable, you can definitely buy from us, or if you get it a better deal, you can buy from there also. Yes, this is sari number 2. Okay, this is sari number 2 in the baby pink with full silver thread weaving. Okay, this is how it looks. It looks absolutely beautiful with the baby pink also. All are pastel colors, so pastel is like a new trend now. So all are pastel colors, you can pick the color of your choice. So this is in the baby pink color. So this is how it looks. It's a very beautiful one. The price of this is 2550. So that's the blouse. Blouse plain you will be getting with the silver border. Okay, this is how it looks. And pallu also, as usual, you will be getting full thread work with down silver zari and the tassels. So this is how it looks. So you need not wear big jewelry also, because the sari itself is very heavy. You can go for a normal choker. So simple choker. Yes, this is how it looks. Baby pink color full thread work one. The price is 2550. So this is the full thread work, white thread work in middle. You'll be having this silver booties like this. Okay, baby pink full thread work sari. The price is 2550. So the next one is the lemon yellow color. This is pastel yellow color with the same silver work. Pallu at side vachunda. Okay, so this is in the pastel, correct bro? Okay, so this is in the pastel yellow color. So this is how it looks. Okay, this is in the pastel yellow color with the full silver thread work. This is how it looks. This looks ella cheptaru chala ninduga undi veskunte, like it looks very elegant, bright, like party wear, and it looks very bright, nindu ante complete. So that complete feeling, because the work is done very good, that it matches the pastel colors. So this is in the lemon yellow color. Blouse stripping. So that's the blouse. Blouse is in the full plain with the border to the hands. That border comes to the hands. So this is how it looks. This is in the pastel yellow color. So this is in the pastel yellow color you will be getting with the silver border. Okay. Yeah. So just how it looks on the face. I'm just showing you that how it looks on the face. I wish I could do live for this, but unfortunately. Okay, this is in the pastel yellow color. This is the pallu. The price is 2550. So the last one in this particular design, this is in the mint green color. This full silver thread work, the last one in the mint green. So the sound that you are getting is not because of the fabric, that is because of the paper inside. Don't mistake it. So this is in the mint green color. So this is in the mint green. So my neck piece exactly matches to this sari. You can see. Yeah. You can just see. So this is also a very beautiful color. So all the pastels are very good and very beautiful. So this is in the mint green color. Mint green full thread work embroidery. So this is how it looks. Okay, it's very, very, very beautiful. All the colors I liked. I already picked one saree for myself. So yes, this is how it looks. Nice mint green. So this is the work that you'll be getting. So that's the blouse. Blouse border you'll be getting like that. Yeah, that's the blouse. So this is how it looks. So many people like tell that it looks more, all the sarees looks good on you and all. On everybody it looks very good. It all depends on how you drape it and how you carry it. So this is in the mint green color, full work, full thread work. The price of this is also 2550. Okay, huh? Yeah, in this particular full thread work design. So this is the last color. In this also we have seen 5 colors. Pastel yellow, grey, baby pink and mint green. So in this we have seen like almost 5 colors. So this is the last one in this particular design. The price of this full work design is 2550. Okay, next. So the next one is again a different design like I am wearing now. So the one I am wearing, which I have shown in the first one, so that is with the full thread work and the colorful flower thread work and the white thread work. Okay. So this particular design, it comes with the thread work and also the mirror design in the middle. So this is how it looks. So in this also we have 4 to 5 colors, all are pastel colors. So this looks little different, I mean a bit different, because of it has also the mirror work, mirror booties on the pallu they have given. So this is a little different design compared to the others. So all the three are three different designs. Sorry. So this is the biscuit color. So yeah, this is the biscuit color sari. This design I have already shown. So this is the flower booty that you will be getting on the sari, and this is the mirror buttas that you will be getting in the middle of the thread work. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, this is the biscuit color sari or the cream paste in pastel. This is the cream shade or the godam shade or what? Cream color shade, biscuit. This is the light biscuit color shade. Okay, this is how it looks. Blouse piece. So that's the blouse piece. With the self checks, you will be getting the blouse with the silver border. Okay, so this is how it looks. So it is also absolutely beautiful. Who wants the full thread work, they can go for a full thread work sari. Who wants the booties on the blouse, little colorful booties on the sari, they can go with this kind of sari. So you have good options that for you to choose. So this is how it looks. So this comes on the top and you put the frills. You can aram se wear it on single pleat also. It is not that transparent because I'm already wearing it on the single plate. So this is in the biscuit color with the colorful butta, and the pallu which I have already shown you. So this is the pallu with mirror booties that is given on the pallu with the tassels. So this is sari number 1 in the flower and the mirror design The price is 2350. Okay, this is how it looks. Next one is the mint green. Again we have mint green with the same color combination flowers, and the mirrors also. The mirror is given the thread work with the mint green or the matching flower for this. So this is how it looks. So this is in the mint green color. So this is, wow, this is very beautiful because of the flowers, because it has in the similar color contrast one. So this is how it looks. Yeah, this is how it looks. Very beautiful this is. Also, yes, full mirror booties you will be getting for the saree. Nice filling with the flowers, thread work, white thread work, and the mirrors you will be having. So this is how it looks. So this is how it looks. So that's the checkered blouse you will be getting. Nice checks blouse with the silver border. This side. So the price of this is also just 2350. Yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, mint green color. This is the pallu with the checks and the mirror booties you will be getting. The price is 2350. Next is the pastel yellow color with the flowers in the dark yellow and the orange contrast colors, and the mirrors. And the mirrors you have got with the yellow color thread work embroidery around it. So this is in the pastel yellow. See, the flowers are very beautiful if you see. So this is the pattern like you'll be getting all over the saree. Yeah, this is how it looks. I love all the sarees. Okay, this is how it looks. Nice lemon yellow color. So that's the pallu with the mirror booties, and checkered blouse you'll be getting. Horizontal vertical line blouse you'll be getting. So that's the blouse. This side. So this is the saree. So all over the saree, this is the design you will be getting. Flowers and this rangoli kind of stem design, and in the middle sequence will be the mirrors surrounded with the embroidery work. Okay, this is how it looks. This is pastel yellow color with yellow color flower thread work embroidery and the contrast orange color. So okay, this is in the pastel yellow color with the thread work embroidery. The price is 2350. Hope it's clear. Okay, next is in the pastel pink color. So this is in the pastel pink with the pink color flower and the green embroidery, and this is the pattern which I am telling that you will be getting all over the saree. This square with the center mirrors. So most of the people have been asking me for the fancy sarees, so that is the reason why I have did some research and got these sarees, because mostly we are doing almost like we are doing only the pattu style sarees, I mean like which are traditional. So for this, so this is in the baby pink color, a very beautiful one with the pink color flowers and mirrors all over. So yeah, this is how it looks. Same or same. So this is in the pastel pink color. So that's the vertical line blouse with the silver jacquard border you will be getting. This is, yeah, this is how it looks. Nice pastel pink color. So this is the thread work bunch, flower bunch, and the mirror work embroidery you will be getting. Yeah, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. Pink pastel color with the flower embroidery. Okay, and this is the pallu with the small mirror booties you will be getting. Okay, so this is how it looks. The price is 2350. This is in the pastel pink color. Yeah, this is how it looks. Have to put the steps nicely. Okay, if you put nice steps, it will look like this. Okay, I just don't want to show the blue. So this is how it looks. The price is 2350. Next and the last one in this particular mirror and the flower design is mint green. Mint green already which one? So this is different, huh? Oh, the little green like. So this is mint green. That one is little green. So yeah, this is the design bubble. 25. Okay. So this is the last one. So the mint green with the matching green color flower you will be getting. So this is how it looks. Yeah. So yeah, this is how it looks. Mint green color. Okay. The price of this is also 2350. So this is how it looks. This is the pallu and blouse vastundi. So this is the vertical line blouse you'll be getting. So it very nicely it matches the vertical blouse also. It looks very elegant because it is of the same color. You'll be getting it in the vertical stripes. Okay, this is how it looks. This is the last one. Okay, sir, switch on colors first. No. So, I just wanted to show you how it looks like. These are all party wear sarees, so you will not be under the normal tube light, that's for sure. So I just wanted to show you a small like sample how it looks very good in different lights, because in the functions you will be just glowing in the lights. So I am just showing you the original how it looks, original color and thing. I just will show you how it looks in different lights. You can just have a look. So this is one kind of light. Next, so this is in the, if you go to this hotels and all, you'll be under the orange color of light, that orange light. So you look like this. So this is a white color, subtle kind of light. So yes, so it will be absolutely glowing and you'll look absolutely beautiful in all the sarees. So yes, why this? So this is in the mint green. This is the last one. The price is 2350. So you can just see my saree also, because I'm wearing it. I can show it in a little better way. Yeah. Okay. So then off the light. So this is just to show you that I am showing it in a normal tube, under normal white light that we use at home. You have seen how it looks when we use it in the light. It looks absolutely beautiful. I just wanted to show you in the both the ways how it looks beautiful in the normal light and how it looks when we go to a function and all. Hope you have liked the collections. So whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot and they can inbox. So in this collection we have a very limited quantity of sarees. We have shown 3 designs. Hope you like it. Happy shopping. Thank you.